in 2026 if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Okay, the most important thing is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, actually hand holding you and guiding you and giving you the exact framework. Because as you can see over here, right, I'm in a swimming pool, but the most important thing is having someone who can actually help you and guide you through step by step along the way by giving you the exact framework, the exact traffic sources, right? Email list, Google pay-per-click ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. No, it's all about buyers clicks. That's the secret if you want to succeed in 2026. Having someone who can show you the exact way of having the offers that could be working, and actually having the exact products that are doing well for people in 2026. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results in 2026, you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, by giving you exact frameworks that are converting and doing well. So for me right now, manifestation niche, weight loss niche, weight loss, Nutra, CPA networks, CPA affiliate marketing is doing really well. So once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, you'll be able to have the real results. Okay, so as you watch this YouTube video, let me know. You have my WhatsApp, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook Messenger to connect with me one-on-one, and after that we can let it know to get it up and running.